My beloved brothers and sisters, nothing is impossible for Allah. We believe that Allah creates from nothing. He doesn't need a thing to create. When He created man from dust or sand or soil, He did not need to use that to make man. He didn't need it. He could have created us from anything else or from absolutely nothing. Indeed, the instruction, the command of Allah when He wants to create something is be, and it is. So glory be unto Allah, who is the owner of absolutely everything and everyone, and everything is going to return to Allah. So don't waste time, speak your heart out to Allah.